welcome back to another tutorial, and today we are going to talk about how to share a Canva template to sell or to any other people that you want to share a template to. So big mistake that people make when sharing a link to their Canva is that they're actually sharing the whole file. So lots of people would go and share this either just on the link on their browser, or you're sharing a collaboration link, or sharing with people that you have email addresses to. That is all fine, but what happens when you do these is they can edit your file and everyone will have the edited version, and it won't retain any of these on the original file. So what you want to do when you want to share it, especially when you're selling, is do not use the collaboration link. What you want to do is go here and find the template link. In here, you will see that you can generate a template link, and go ahead and do that. And it'll show you that it's live. And once it's live, you can copy this link and paste it wherever you're selling your digital files. So let's go take a look and see what it will look like when you use the link. My link in, this should pop up, not the actual file or the design that you see like this. It should actually go here so that you can use this and press here, use template for new design. I get this because I am the owner of it, but if you're not, you would get this. So let's go into incognito and see what that does. So if you're sending the link to someone that you don't know and they're not logged into your account, this is what you want it to look like. Use template for new design. And then when they click it, it'll prompt them to log in. And once you have that link, what I like to do is create another file like this, something that you can edit every time you have a new file. And what you can do is set up some instructions and then paste the link in here in a button so that you can upload this file, this PDF that you can generate from Canva. You would download the PDF and then upload it to any platform you would want to sell your digital templates. So what you're actually doing is uploading this PDF as a digital file, and then this PDF with a digital file with the link to either Etsy, Shopify, your Stan store, and then when someone purchases something, they'll download this PDF and then get the link to your design. And this is the best way to do it. And you want to use that template link because I've had instances where I've gotten a file like this with the link, but it's collaboration link. So I don't know how many people has gotten to it already before me, but it does not look anything like the file that I purchased, and it's completely different. So that original file is completely edited and different. So you do not want to do that because that will ruin your design and you will not be able to recover your original file. What you want to do is to prompt people to open and copy a new file of your design as a template when you sell it. So I hope this tutorial helped, and I'll see you in the next video.